For me, okay, Johnny Damon is a legend on the baseball field, and he's also a legend of heart, too. He donated 22 pallets of his A-game hydrating drink to the first responders in Kerr County, Texas, who continue conducting their rescue and recovery efforts in record heat. The American Trucking Association hauled this huge load for free from Georgia to Texas. Soon, many first responders, volunteers, and people in the hardest hit areas of the Hill Country will be fully hydrated. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, American Trucking. And thanks to One Family Gives for pulling this all together for our first responders.